We have Mr. Punit Javeri with us, a Director Strategic Growth of.
Lucky Tech Membranes Private Limited.
That's right. So, Punitji, can you tell us brief about your organization and how do you differentiate for the environment?
So Lucky Tech believes in giving a very sustainable solutions in PVC coated fabric. So what we do is we supply engineered membranes for biogas structures wherein the biogas is generated and stored in our balloons. So that is what we do. The products that we do, they are designed on German softwares, made on European machines, and that is how we give you a product that has a long life durability of more than 10 years,
Wow.
which also makes it an eco-friendly product. You don't have to throw away the fabric.
Wow. So, I think that balloons is a very fantastic name because we already have seen the balloon from the childhood, right?
Yes.
But only at the for the entertainment purpose or the kids playing game. Right now, there might be certain areas hot air balloons which has to be used.
Surprisingly, in fact, coincidentally, we are making a helium balloon for Global Village, Dubai.
Oh wow!
And that is going to get featured in Guinness Book of World Records as well. So
That's
that is a 24-meter dia balloon, and probably 20 people will go up and have a good sightseeing of Global Village and Dubai as well.
Oh, that's
So that is
fantastic.
what we have been doing.
Okay, that's fantastic. So the balloons are now not only being used to play by the childs, it is also to be used to store the gases, right? But while we speak about the gases, right, it is considered to be as the hazardous kind of area, right? So what has to be taken care of while selecting this kind of products?
So what we have to do is we have to ensure that we have a right product, and that's where our partner Sion Industries from Belgium comes into play. So they have been they are a 100-year-old company. They have developed this product since the last 100 years, and today that product works with the gases that we are talking about. That is number one. Then you have to have a right engineering. So when you are making the balloons, they have to be analyzed with respect to loads, stresses, and even with
Pressure.
regards to the forms as well. And that's where our German softwares come into play. And then you do a right cutting and welding so that the balloon remains intact and does not the welds do not come off.
Right.
And that is how we guarantee a life of 10 years plus.
So, coming to the conventional part, where every the biogas manufacturer till now in India, if we see the in the past, every village or the home has the some metal based tanks into the floating system, and they has been isolated now. So
Yes.
nobody has this kind of scenario. Earlier, they were every home has this sort of thing. So, do we have that kind of feasibility that we can get it to every home back into this situation?
So that is the idea. We are tripling our production. So basically, that is what we are envisaging that we have to reach every person over here. These are very sustainable, very competitive, and very quick to manufacture. And again, like being a flexible products, the balloons that you can see. So it is extremely good solution for the farmers and for even the smaller players.
So, can it be used as the mobile storage solutions?
Definitely. So with certain changes, with certain what do you say reinforcements, it can be used as a traveling solution as well. And we in fact do provide pillow tanks for water storage for what do you say trucks. We have also given diesel storage balloons for trucks. So yes, those are definitely possible.
Okay, so coming to the part of the biogas solutions, right? Well, the if we compare the cost and timeline of the entire project completion, what would be the feasibility of this compared to the conventional fabrication systems?
So the advantages of the flexible PVC balloons is it is quick to manufacture. It is very competitive with respect to RCC or steel balloons, and it is very maintenance friendly. And at the end of the day, let's say if there is any issues or problems with the balloons, let's say there is a would use an accident, you can also repair it very quickly. So these are the advantages of it. And then again, it's a new age product. Like what the saying says, you should always graduate to a better product in the market. So this is what is today's product.
And if we compare the timeline and cost of the product, then
So with regards to RCC, it would be 20% cost. With regards to let's say steel, it would be 50% of the cost. And with regards to timelines, it would take to 10 or 15% of the time that is used to make what do you say, an RCC structure versus the balloons. And with regards to the steel, it would be almost half.
Wow. So we can save almost 50% cost with regards to steel and 80% of timeline, right? So that is the really fantastic product in the market, and definitely I think that can create the huge potential for the Indian players, wherein everyone we have the more wastage and which is going to be wasted into the normal resources. So where we can generate the more gases and make the entire environment sustainable
Yes.
with respect to the unused resources.
And biogas is the need of the hour.
Absolutely.
We have to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels.
That's right.
So let's go biogas.
Yes, sir. So apart of the biogas, what the other products and services do you offer?
So we also provide solutions for tensile structures, for tents, for trucks, for roll doors, for biogas, for oil booms, for pillow tanks, for liners, for sports mats.
Wow.
So जहाँ पे गीता बबीता wrestling करते हैं, those are the sports mats provided by Lucky Tech.
Wow, that's great. So they are not only into the biogas services, but yes, all the innovative solutions wherein that can be replaced with the conventional technology, they are having the solution. Right?
Yes. And we have also started exports. We have recently supplied to the King of Qatar. We have supplied for Jeddah Airport. So let's say tomorrow when you land at Jeddah Airport, you would see the car parking that is made in our fabric
Very
and
good.
supplied by Lucky Tech.
Okay, so
We
can
are going global now.
wow, so fantastic again. Can we see the some of the feasibility like the PV modules, because the solar is also need of an hour, right?
Yes.
And everything there, the solar industry also is changing into flexibles.
Yes.
So, do you see any feasibility of integrating solar panels into your products?
So, in fact, I would like to show you a photograph, and we have started integrating the PVC on a solar.
Wow.
So, I'll just show you a project that we did for Baps Mandir at Valsad, Gujarat, Tital. So, I don't know if you guys can see on my mobile phone. So, this is a project that we did in 2019 for them. We have been regularly exporting solar panels integrated on our flexible PVC fabrics since last 4 years, 4 or 5 years now.
And what kind of structure is needed for this?
A normal tensile structure, a roofing structure, which is covered with our fabrics,
Wow.
and we have integrated the PVC, the solar panels over there.
That's great. So, the not only innovation into biogas, the renewable sector also they does. So, thank you very much for the insights
thank
and
you.
key strength. It's really good. Not only biogas, but entire ecosystem would be supported by them, and definitely with the help of them, we can reach to net zero energy level by 2050.
And thank you to you guys for promoting this industry on such a level, on at such a scale.
Absolutely.
Thank you
Thank you.
so
Thank you very much.